Today I'm going to the store. The store. The store! Whippy! But first, I have to cross places. Oh no. Yeah, oh no. I can do this. No, I can't. Yes, I can. I'm gonna. Here I go.
I'm wearing invisible clothes. Oh God, gotta put this thing on. I have to make it safe.
Excuse myself after dinner. Oh my God, it's so bad. This helps a lot. Well, anyway, where was I? Oh yeah, at the store. Okay, I'm here at the store, and looks like they got baskets and headphones. Beats. Says that they're $2.99. Oh, $299. And you got one base. It says one base, but it's written in graffiti. My mommy says graffiti is bad. Gangs do graffiti and smoke. Smoker. I'm not a smoker, so I don't do graffiti.
Do you need help finding anything, sir?
Yes, I would like the one base with the graffiti.
That would be $59.99, sir.
Okay, here you go.
Here's your change. Well, thank you.
Well, thank you, kind man. Here's a chair. Oh, thank you. Oh my God, kitty. Hello, little kitty. Oh yeah, you like that? I love kitties. It just bit my finger. No, kitty, you can go now. Where was I? Oh yes, my headphones. Just gotta climb up here. My headphones. The heck is this? Smells like spray paint. The paint's coming off the cord. This is a terrible job. They're so weird. I hate them so much. I just want to punch that guy right in the face. Boom. And I thought he was my friend. I just lost a friend today. You know what? I'm going back there for a refund. Okay, I skipped through all that trouble. There was like a bunch of fighting with us. Put this back on the shelf for some other scum to buy it. But now, I'm getting my refund. I'm getting Beats. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my God, I got my Beats. Let's open these bad boys. Oh my God. They're so fancy that they have to make it Sony. Beats. Wait a second, there's something wrong with these. Let's open these bad boys. Oh no. Okay, I got my new set. He says that these are for sure the white ones. Now I'm even more excited. Score! Look at these beauties. The paint's coming off these ones too. Wait a second. I don't think these are real beats. Not at all. They're fake. Gasp. I guess I will never find real beats. Never. Ever. Never. Just gonna walk first. You know, just a little snack because my mom says if I eat too much at night,